Hello and welcome to the Emerald Garden. Today I am going to show you how I make perfectly smooth sea moss gel every single time with just a few easy steps. What we'll need is raw sea moss. Mine is from emeraldgardenshop.com. I'm using 2 ounces of sea moss here. You'll also need a bowl to soak your sea moss. It's going to expand about 2 to 3 times its size, so make sure your bowl is large enough. We'll need a blender and also water. So here I'm using spring water. You can also use alkaline or filtered water. Just make sure it's the best quality water that you have access to. Today I am going to use key limes as well. The key limes are completely optional. We only use those if we want to get rid of that sea taste. We'll need a spoon and a glass container to store our sea moss gel. Keep in mind, raw sea moss is straight from the sea, so it will contain salt, and occasionally you may even find sand in your raw sea moss. So we want to be careful and make sure we wash it really well. Here you'll see me wash the sea moss in spring water. I'll wash it about 3 to 4 times and just make sure all of the salt and sand is removed and make sure my water is running clear. Now that our sea moss is clean, we're going to drain it, and then we'll fill the bowl with water and lime juice. Keep in mind the lime juice is completely optional. We only add this if you want to help rid your sea moss gel of any sea taste. Because I know the sea moss will expand quite a bit while soaking, I'm going to add this bowl as a weight just to keep the sea moss underwater. Allow your sea moss to soak overnight. Anywhere between 4 and 8 hours is good. Thanks to the magic of editing, I already have some sea moss that has been soaking overnight. As you can see, it expanded quite a bit. I've added more water and removed the limes. Next, we're going to drain the sea moss. I'm going to drain it into a bowl because I'll be using that soaking water a little bit later. This water is packed with nutrients, and I'm going to use it for things like watering my plants. They love it. Our sea moss has expanded about 2 to 3 times its size. It's breaking apart very easily. One key to making very smooth sea moss is making sure it soaks long enough, and this sea moss has been soaking for about 6 hours. As I'm adding the sea moss to the blender, you'll see me breaking apart some of the larger pieces. This just makes the job easier on my blender, and this step is completely optional as well. The next key to making perfectly smooth sea moss gel is to make sure you're adding enough water. I use about 2 cups of water for the 2 ounces of sea moss. Now that we have our soaked sea moss and water in the blender, we're going to go ahead and blend it. My blender is set for 70 seconds, so I'm going to blend it about 2 to 3 cycles until I feel that the gel is perfectly smooth. Our sea moss is looking pretty smooth now, and it's time to pour it in a glass jar for storage. You can cover it with a lid. I like to cover mine loosely with a paper towel and store it in the fridge. The sea moss gel will last up to 4 weeks in the refrigerator. Over the next 24 hours, you'll notice your gel will begin to thicken. It can also be stored in the freezer for up to 6 months in a freezer-safe container. Sea moss is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth, containing 92 of the 102 minerals that our bodies are made of. Sea moss is rich in calcium, iodine, potassium iodide, zinc, and many more minerals that our bodies need. It's recommended to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel per day. However, you can use as much as you like. I have sea moss gel all day. I use it plain, add it to a smoothie, soups, desserts, or I'll apply it directly to my skin. Sea moss gel makes for a great face mask. I hope this video helped you learn how to make your own perfectly smooth sea moss gel every single time. This is a completely easy way to make your own sea moss gel at home. Thank you for checking out the Emerald Garden. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Be sure to check out that description box with a link to our website, emeraldgardenshop.com, where you can purchase your own raw sea moss gel, capsules, or other wellness products. Also, leave any questions or comments down below. We'd love to hear from you.